past year and a half, I've been working to develop one of the best high-performance electric longboards on the market. I am proud to finally release the Comet Board in both single and dual drive versions. The single drive Comet Board is driven by a 3,000 watt sensored motor for speeds up to 27 miles per hour. It uses a 12S 3P battery capable of up to 20 miles of range. The dual drive Comet Board delivers a total of 5,000 watts of continuous power for speeds over 35 miles per hour. It uses a 12S 5P battery capable of 30 miles of range. A high-quality, handmade product will always be one that is mass-produced in factories overseas. That is why each Comet Board is built and tested right here in my Minneapolis workshop. The first batch will consist of only 6 boards, so pre-order now at cometboards.com to reserve yours. The boards are expected to ship in May of 2019, but the sooner all the pre-orders are filled, the sooner parts can be ordered and production can begin. Customers who place an order can also opt into our email list for weekly updates on production status and expected shipping date. Both the single and dual drive Comet Board are built on the Landyacht's 38 switchblade drop deck to keep your feet locked in place during hard acceleration and braking. The motor mounts are machined from high-grade aluminum and use idler pulleys to maintain tension and prevent belt skipping. For wheels, you can choose either the 97mm blank wheels in assorted colors, 107mm ABEC 11s, or the newly released 110mm wheels from Longboard. Comet Boards feature enclosures that perfectly conform to the deck, with a thick foam rubber seal to splash-proof the electronics. In addition to top-quality hardware, Comet Boards are powered by the best electronics, including Samsung 30Q lithium-ion batteries, the latest BESC speed controllers, all controlled by the Maytech 2.4 GHz thumb throttle remote. A Bluetooth module allows the rider to change motor settings, view battery percentage, speed, and distance traveled, all from a phone or smartwatch. Sometimes, it's the smallest aspects of a board that can make all the difference, like a watertight charging port and power button. Comet Boards are built to last using only durable components that are up to the challenge. Please like and share this video and let us know what you think in the comments section. For more board pictures, check out @CometBoards on Instagram or cometboards.com.